Allowing or denying Wi-Fi control permissions on the Galaxy S24 lets you manage which apps can control Wi-Fi settings, ensuring better privacy and control over network access. To begin, tap on the Home button to return to the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel and then tap on the Settings icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and select Apps. At the top of the Apps page, tap the More Options icon and then choose Special Access from the drop-down list. On the Special Access page, scroll down to the bottom and select Wi-Fi control. Here you'll see a list of all apps that have access to Wi-Fi control. To manage permissions for a specific app, simply tap on its name. For example, if you want to adjust the settings for an app like Facebook, tap on it to enable or disable Wi-Fi control for it. When enabled, the app can turn Wi-Fi on or off, scan for networks, connect to Wi-Fi, manage networks, or start a local hotspot. If you don't want an app to have these permissions, simply toggle the switch off. Repeat this for any other apps you'd like to modify. Once you're done, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage Wi-Fi control permissions on your Galaxy S24. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.